He's just a good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast.
So we've been concentrating on old Mad Max, but y'all probably have already seen this, and if you're not watching Lutz Race Cars, this has been sitting here.
Yeah, this car's kind of been a oddball project that we took on.
It is definitely an oddball. What is this?
So this is a 2007 Saturn Sky, which they do make a kit to swap this motor into this, but
So
this one's supercharged.
it does have an LS in it, and
Oh, my favorite.
yep, your favorite, I know. And it's got an Edelbrock E-Force on it. What else did you do to this thing? I know it had like a tons of, we're not going to throw nobody under the bus. We don't know who did it, but there was a tons of not properly done stuff. Like the wrong motor, or the guy was told a different motor.
Yeah,
Whatever.
I get that.
Yep.
But there was just a bunch of nitty gritty stuff, just
Yep.
stupid. The final details.
Yep.
That
The stuff that takes longer than the build.
Yes. So we went through, fixed it. The rad is over there. Somebody put a jack through it.
I saw that.
Tried jacking the car up.
Yeah, I'll show you all that here in a minute.
So we put a brand new one on. Had to make custom intake tubes. A lot of custom stuff. So it should be good though.
It should be a freaking handful. This
This
thing's,
thing has to be.
it's like size of your Honda.
I think it's smaller. You say Hyundai?
Honda.
I think
Honda.
it's smaller,
Hey,
actually.
I like this custom rad though. You like that custom rad?
That was a movie in 1986.
I'm gonna spray you both and break them here in a minute.
Yep. I think it'll be good.
Oh, this thing
As long
ought
as
to
we
be a
don't have any more
freaking,
trouble.
should be a freaking blast. Like this is something you want to take on the road course.
Yes.
I think that's what the guy's gonna do with it, right?
I think so.
Big wheels and tires and got what do you call that?
What?
These little things. This little
Windscreen?
windscreen. Yeah, like Batmobile.
Yeah, I don't know.
Saturn Sky.
Saturn Sky, yes. I said Solstice, but
Solstice. It's the same thing.
Solstice.
That's a,
Whatever. It is, right? Yeah. All right. That's our hose guy. I made him mad.
Yeah.
I made him length of 1.5 inch. He's all pissed off at me now.
All right. So this is actually a stick shift car, which I think is just freaking awesome. It's pretty cool. Crazy looking little thing. And there's the radiator. Yep. Somebody thought that they maybe should put a jack stand under it, jack it up or something. Anyway, pretty cool little car. I like it. Kinda. Sorta. It's cool. Little open header action there.
That definitely was sounding good.
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
All right. Thing sounds good.
Maybe head them off.
All right. It's a baby Batmobile.
You see the steering wheel in this
I
thing?
know. It's like a baby Batmobile.
He must be tall.
Never met him in person.
All right, here we go. What could go wrong?
That is a crazy. It's a crazy looking little thing. Whatever it is, it's a crazy looking little car. Soltis. Funny part is it's starting to drizzle. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that little piece on the, what was that thing? The Sky? I don't know what it was, but I certainly wasn't at Jeff's to necessarily talk about that car, but it was such a cool little thing. Jeffrey was working his tail off. I wanted to share the little car with you guys. A Sky. I think it was a Saturn Sky. Yes, a Saturn Sky. I think that's what it was. Anything supercharged V8 I'm interested in, but it definitely looked like the Batmobile, and I'm telling you, I bet that thing is wicked fast. So I included that, what I was doing at Jeff's, and I want to give y'all a quick little preview of what we do got coming, which is our next Build for the Future build, our 77 CRC pickup truck. We're going to reveal some plans, what we're doing with that thing, and getting it ready for SEMA, and then going to do a lot of things with it before it heads to auction. Check out this little clip from an upcoming episode. Appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, sharing. Check it out, and I'll see you.
Did you get it running?
No.
Dead?
No, it just ain't starting.
Go ahead, I'll get you.
Don't let the hood.
Yep, go
hit.
ahead. I got you.
I hadn't gave it a squirt yet.
Okay.
I don't know that
Go ahead.
it's CRC approved, but
Oh, hey.
I can tell y'all
Fire it up.
that right there will get the job done. Here we go. Brake clean to the rescue.
That's right, baby.
I wonder, should we check the oil?
After we started. Yeah. Shut it off. Clay, we started, and he goes, maybe we should check the oil.
Yeah. After the last time I drove it, we might need
the
to.
brakes off. I was the last one, wasn't I?
Yeah, you were. I'm gonna make you the cameraman.
You got it.
it.